Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect ptron smartwatch from Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just scroll on the down and click on this Bluetooth and devices. After you have been click on Bluetooth and devices, here you are going to find the Bluetooth. Just turn on the Bluetooth. After you have been turned on the Bluetooth, move on the Bluetooth on the middle. Okay, just click on the middle. When you move on the middle, just scroll on the down and click on this ptron watch and move on setting. After you move on setting, here is the forget option. Just click on forget and click on forget device. Here you are now disconnect. Okay, you can disconnect it like that. Okay, because you have to click on the forget option is for the disconnect, because there is no disconnect option or unpair option. You can disconnect by clicking on forget. It doesn't mean that forget means forever forget. It's not like that. Okay, you will be able to connect whenever you want to connect it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.